mags!
You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until your squad can redeploy.
No, I
It's
wish he had a mic,
Stay
bro.
alive so your squad can redeploy. A deserter left your squad.
He left.
Redeploy you faster to make up for it.
Like, bro, you don't have a
No fuel,
mic.
no fuel.
What do you
UAV
want me to
RTB.
do? Yeah, I'm playing solo. The teammate backed out because he's a bitch.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
I decided not to run with no one.
Loadout drop headed your way.
So I gotta try to get some pickoffs. But I can't get shot in the back.
An enemy has retrieved a classified weapon. Hunt them down and
How
take
much
it
money
for
I
yourself.
got?
Napalm strike standing by.
Oh,
Chicken shot! That's better!
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
where's this guy at?
Loading!
Oh, come on. You get a free kill.
Gas is inbound.
Push me, bitch.
Enemy soldier incoming. Target down. Marking the rest of them.
I'm hit!
Only 10 left.
UAV standing by.
Need recon overhead!
Got 10 squads active in the field.
Gotta get in and out. I'm gonna try to pick him off right here.
Swapping mags!
Oh, that's a free kill. Hurry up.
Requesting recon flyover!
Chad, you think I have self revive?
Mission timeline over. UAV
We gotta get
exiting
these
the
guys
area.
too. 7 teams left, chat. This guy should run out in the open.
Changing
Dropping
mag!
into the AO.
No fuel, no fuel. UAV RTB.
Kill confirmed.
End of the circle. You might grab the shotgun. Chad, the MK35 was beaming. I think we definitely need a UAV, chat. Oh my god, I don't have
We know
money.
it's about to close.
UAV
Definitely
standing
need a
by.
UAV. Alright, we got the MK35 and the shotgun. The reason why I grabbed this.
Gas is closing in.
Alright, let's look at the zone. Michael Claymore. One in the tower right there, chat.
Loading!
Look,
Ammo here!
guess what? We got another UAV right here. So I'm about to chill for a second. Hopefully get some people to kill themselves out because there's still 6 teams left. Chat, the name of the game
Nice
is
try!
Survive.
fuckers.
You got a South Revive right there. And put that right there. Because more than likely they're going to come right here.
UAV RTB.
I am going to try to get a
Dropping ammo!
little bit more money, chat, so I could get a gas mask. And a fucking... Did I get my key card? Did I get my key card? I didn't. Alright. Precision gas mask, chat. Oh, I got the... Oh, they brought him back since when? Chat, I got the green card. Specialist and advanced. Let's go! Hold on, chat. I'm gonna call this advanced in a second. Alright, we kind of good. Hold on. I'm gonna call that advanced in a little bit. This bunker is gonna be clutch. I want to call this at the last second so I can have as many. How many is right here? Alright, bet. What am I doing? Setting up for
Need recon overhead.
That's how you wipe, baby.
In the top 5, bring home the win. Survive
Swapping mags.
operational in the AO. New intel just in. Classified weapons.
I'm reloading.
That's how you wipe.
AO shortly.
Take a shot.
Gas is inbound.
Where's that?
Run, nigga, what are you doing?
You're in the top 3. Don't let up now. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Oh, where are my stems at, chat?
Weapons are now in the field. Acquire one to gain the status.
Come on, please.
Stemmed up.
All right, chat. One on top of me. Come on, play in my favor. No way.
You're losing ground. Moving.
Setting Claymore.
All right, chat. One on one. 3 solos. Come on. No, he bought back. He bought back. If this plays in my favor, this might be a gas play, chat.
Be killed. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Come on, please play in my favor. Come on. Let's go! That's right, baby. There's our dub. There's our dub, chat. Solo duels. That teammate backed out early, bitch. Should have stayed in here, and that shit almost got me. Good thing I'm better. Yeah.